Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to be talking about some effects in Shotcut that could give your New Year's video a party vibe. These filter effects all act on any video with sound in the same track and are found under the Video Filters list. The first two also act on a separate audio file, but you'll need to place that on a video track. Obviously, you can have video behind it. I have a plain colour. First is Audio Spectrum Visualization. This gives you an object to place wherever you want it on the screen and can produce various shapes in time with the audio. This doesn't have to be music, it can be any audio, but I think this one is probably better with actual music. There are plenty of settings to play around with to get different effects. Next up is one we've used before, the Audio Waveform Visualization. I used this for the spoken word before, but there's no reason you can't use it with music. It works in the same way as spectrum visualization. And again, there are plenty of settings to play around with for the effect you want. The next one, Audio Light Visualization, works on a video with sound, but I'm not using fast music this time because it produces flashing light and I want to keep that to a minimum. So I'm giving you peaceful pigeon family vibes. It also creates an object, but I'm only placing this across the bottom so you can see the difference. What I have is quite subtle, a light orange colour reacting to the music, but you could add multiple colours and play with the other settings to make it a lot more vibrant. And finally, on a non-music track, Audio Dance Visualization pulses the image in time with the sound. With a louder, faster track, this would be more pronounced. Here's what that looks like in the produced video. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.